What is that?
From a bird nest.
Bird nest.
I'm gonna check here. How can you get this one? Hiya. Mama, how
Bird
can
nest. Oh, sa lalim.
Philippine birds?
Yung bird. Napatay na.
Papa.
Oh, look at that. Oh, tingnan mo. Pull it.
Gently.
Ito ba? Ito, wala.
Yan lang. Wala. Tingnan mo. Pull it na.
Gently daw.
Push.
Patay.
Ngayon, nakalak.
Napatay nila.
Yan lang. Pull it mo na. Yan na. Tingnan natin. Ay, ganyan lang.
Tama na.
Napatay. Uy! Twins. Pull it gently daw.
Sa ilalim na. Sige. Push it.
Push.
Oh, yan sila. Oh, nakaserve na yung
They kill.
endangered na sila.
They're not vegetarian. Now close it.
Close it.
Mama, I'll show you the beetles that I hold.
Oh, teka. Yan sila, no? Mga in few species of birds na lang. Yan sila. 3 common endemic birds. Mga endemic birds yan.